Hello, this is a Bullis Student Tutor video, and I'm going to be talking about the 4 different types of tones in Chinese for beginners. So, the first tone in Chinese is a flat tone, so it means ma, which means mother. The second tone in Chinese goes up, and it's ma, and this means numb. The third type of tone goes down and then up, and this means horse, so it's ma, ma. The fourth type of tone goes straight down, and it's like very forceful, so it's ma, ma, ma. And then there's a neutral tone, which is just like very light, and it's ma, and this is the question mark. As you can see, tones are very important in Chinese. One word has 5 meanings depending on the tone that is used. So make sure you enunciate your tones clearly so a Chinese person can understand you. You can pause this video to practice on your own, but I'm going to move forward. There is a 5th tone in Chinese. It's called a umlaut, but you don't have to worry about it for now. But once you approach like higher levels of Chinese, like once you reach colors, like the color green that has a umlaut, which looks like a smiley face, genders, like in woman, or transportation, like in road, and etc., etc., etc. This has been a Bullis Student Tutor video. Please check out the rest of our YouTube channel for more videos.